We are Pentagon.
Pentagon works together with the most experienced, trained, and dedicated dealers, bringing our premium quality products to homes and businesses across North America. Pentagon dealers are proud to offer customized solutions we manufacture, including rolling shutters, retractable screens, secure storage shutters, and other closure solutions. Pentagon's superior dealer support is unmatched in the industry, giving dealers the confidence they need to succeed.
At Pentagon, we work with you. We want to make you successful as a valued dealer. You'll be supported by a dealer development team, a customer service team, and a technical support team. When you win, we win.
Pentagon has a world-class engineering team committed to product development, so you can always be confident that you're providing your clients with premium quality products. Additionally, you can rest assured that every Pentagon product has been tested 3 times and had a 65-point inspection. We take quality very seriously here.
We truly have the widest range of products available on the market, with 4 different product lines and more than 9 different curtain slat series options. We truly are your source for closure solutions.
Join us in improving and protecting the lives and livelihoods of your customers by becoming a Pentagon dealer today. Experience the benefits that our valued dealers have come to love. And if you're already a dealer, thank you for all your hard work and dedication. Let's keep winning together.